Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I'm currently in Dollar Tree. Everything that's Christmas is on sale. It's 50% off. It's $1.25 when it's not on sale, but right now it's 63 cents. So get out to all of your local Dollar Trees and get the last little items that they have left for Christmas. But guess what, everybody? They have all their Valentine's stuff out. Not everything, but I see a lot of pieces that I've never seen before in Dollar Tree, and I want to share all of that with you on today. So if you're new here, I'm Tay from Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, tablescapes, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So sit back and relax as we go through and see what Dollar Tree has in store. Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make ornaments for your Valentine's Day themed trees. I know a lot of people are still leaving the trees up, and a lot of people are going to put Valentine's Day decor on their trees. So pretty much, I got these from my local Dollar Tree. They were 63 cents. All Christmas decor is 50% off right now. I also got these from my local Dollar Tree, these hearts. I also got the glitter vase fillers from my local Dollar Tree. This ribbon also was holiday themed ribbon. I got this for 63 cents. Pretty much what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut out my ribbon first and we'll go from there with this DIY. I'm so glad to be able and be back. I thank God. For another time to be able to make something. I don't know if anyone really realized lately. I've been posting videos, but I haven't physically been crafting. I've been going through real bad with my hands and my joints and arthritic pain. And some of you all know, some of you may not know, that I have rheumatoid arthritis. I'm not claiming to have any illness or sickness because I know God is a healer and a deliverer. But those are the things that the doctors say. Those are things the doctors tell me when I go to the doctor. But I choose to believe God. I choose to trust Him. And I choose to stand on His word. And stuff. Taking my turmeric supplements and mullein for my lungs and my upper respiratory, and also different things, herbal things that I take daily to help with that. But I just thank God for what He's doing. He's still keeping me. He's still blessing me to be here. And I give all glory and all honor to God, because even in the midst of pain, even in the midst of a storm, I'm just glad that God still allowed me to see another day. So I'm grateful to God for what He's doing. And I just want to let everyone know, don't ever take anything for granted. Nothing you do, don't take it for granted. When you're able to walk and you're able to walk without pain, don't take that for granted. When you're able to eat and move your hands and different things and you're pain-free, don't take that for granted. Please don't. A lot of times we as people, we don't always understand how blessed we are. We don't. And a lot of times you don't understand how blessed you are until you're no longer able to do those things. Or you're no longer able to do those things without being in pain. And I thank God for just being God. I just thank him. He's been so good. That's why I haven't really been making anything, everybody. I've been going through a trial. So we're going to add some of these in just like that. And this is something this is my first time ever doing this. And I was like, Lord, thank you for this. So I'm letting you know, you seen this here first. You seen it here first. So we got these hearts in there, just like that. I'm gonna see if I can turn it around some. Yes, there we go. Yep, there we go. We got the balls and the hearts. I was gonna put 3 in there, but I think 2 is enough. Looks really good. I may not need as many balls. I'm going to take a few balls out. And if anyone is going through anything, facing a trial, an obstacle, and you may feel like you just don't know which way to turn to God. God is the answer. He is the reason. He is the reason. He is. Don't turn to anything else but God. God will bring you out and he'll work that situation out for your good. He sure will. Just give it to God. Live a devoted life unto him. He'll bless your life and he'll make things brand new. I'm going to redo this one because I don't really like how the little balls are not staying like how I want them to. So I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here. Let's see if it do like I want it. Okay, that's good. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. That's cute. And this is my last one. I'm going to add these in there too. I'm just going to add a few of these balls like I did a few minutes ago. 1, 2, 3. This time I'm going to do 3 hearts and see how it looks with the 3 hearts. See which one that I like first. Let's see. Oh, the 3 hearts is cute too. I like both. So I got 2 hearts and I got the 3 hearts. We got our ribbon right here that we're going to put in there. I pray that everyone had a great Christmas too, a blessed and prosperous Christmas. I know we did. My kids got so many toys. They got so much. When I mean overabundance, and they were truly blessed. I thank God for everybody that gifted them and just supported them. And I thank God for that because they received a lot of nice things. Let's see if we can do it just like this. I want to make sure it stays. All right. I got to straighten out my boson. There we go. Just like that. Hang that up on your tree for Valentine's Day. You don't have to do your bow exactly like I did mine. I normally do a hot glue blow bow for mine, but this is just a quick video. Just trying to make a little something for my trees. I'm going to try it the other way also too. Let's see. Let's try it this way too. Let's see how it looks if we pull it over this way. Let me see. I'm gonna add it in just like here. Hold on. I'll try it one more time. That's why I usually do the hot glue method with my bows. Like I actually cut different pieces of my ribbon and I just make a bow like that, hot glue the bow. But I wanted to do it without glue because I love reusing stuff. And a lot of times when you do things with hot glue, it's permanent. And it's not per se permanent, but you have to deal with the stickiness and the gluey effect of it all. So I'm just gonna, okay, y'all. All right. I like that bow better. I'm gonna cut that one. Leave it as that. And I'm gonna try to retie this one too. And see how it goes. Okay. Retie, this is bow number 2. My mom, she ties perfect bows every time. I don't know how she do it, but she can tie a bow. My mama can. All right. All right, here we go. Here are these 2 little cute Valentine's Day DIY ornaments for your tree. I love how it look. I'll be showing you all my Valentine themed trees sometime. Once I start getting all my different little cute ornaments on it, I will do a reveal of that. I love all of you. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you tell someone and share this video. And I thank you all for tuning in. I love you so much and have a blessed night.